Hi, I'm Ruby. I've been working with Vicky for a long time. My journey started many years ago when I joined Vicky, I was under the impression that I'm fit. I just need to build on a little bit of stamina. But when I entered his gym, it was a different experience altogether. And it's been a commendable journey so far with him. With my diet is on place. I work out every morning, whether I'm here. I have a travel job, so I travel a lot and I'm not so regular with my gym. Vicky's been really kind enough to give me some online training. Girls, he has done that. so I'm really thankful. He's always available, though I moved to Bangalore recently and I'm missing him. I just had a conversation asking him when is he gonna start a gym for me in Bangalore, because it's been over 6 months now and I'm still struggling to find somebody like him. For me, he is not only a fitness guru, but I would say somebody who understands my body more than me, understands my lifestyle more than me, understands my diet plan more than me, keeping aside the age I'm in. I think without you, Vicky, I would have never been what I am look-wise. When I step inside a room in a meeting, everybody looks at that body and talks about it, but that credit definitely goes to you. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for being a wonderful guru. There's nobody like you. Ask me, I've traveled city, I've been looking for your clone and I'm still searching for one.
Hi, I'm Ruchi. It has been 1 year I'm coming to Get Fit Studio. For me, Vicky is synonym to fitness. He's an epitome of fitness for me because before coming to this studio, I have been to many other gyms and I could tell from my experience that he's amazing. We daily get to work out new exercises which I have never ever met or seen before in other gyms. So for me, he's the best and he's very knowledgeable in terms of your diets. So from my experience, I can say that whatever diet he has given to me has worked really amazing on me, and he's just the best trainer. What I can say about him. So I would really appreciate his work and his knowledge, and I would really rather want ladies to come over and experience themselves whatever workouts we are doing over here. They are really amazing. So best of luck to Vicky for his future endeavors, and he is just amazing.
And then I envy your body. I'm so jealous of you. I am really jealous of you and I'm gonna kill you. You'll become my favorite devil.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Namrata. And I guess I'm one of the oldest members of Get Fit Studio. And I think my fitness journey started with this studio about 7 years back. I think to my mind, this is like one of the best studios I've ever been to. I mean, and I think probably in Delhi, it's one of the best fitness studios. And our instructor, Vicky, I think he's a trainer par excellence. He's amazing with his workouts. The workouts he designs are very innovative. I think they're very engaging, yes, and they're very different.
Yes.
So they're not boring at all. So you don't feel as if you're going to a regular gym where it's all about the equipment, where you just run on a treadmill, maybe cross trainer. Those are the kind of workouts I find very boring. So these are group workouts which are very engaging.
Yeah.
And I think we're always looking forward to what workout we're going to do probably the next day, because they're new and it's actually something that I look forward to. So it's not like I think the 1 hour that I come, I'm a doctor, so I have a very busy day at work. So when in the evening, this 1 hour probably is my me time, where I think I look forward to coming to the gym, because I feel it has become an integral part of my day where I can relax and I think it has contributed to my overall fitness in a big way. What do you think, Deepti?
Absolutely. Hi, I'm Deepti. So Get Fit has been the best investment that I've done so far in terms of the fitness that I've achieved. Get Fit equivalent to Vicky Tully sir. The kind of workouts that he designs for us are so innovative. So practically every day is a new workout. It's almost like, you know, you can come for a workout every day because you're not going to be repeating what we did the
There's
previous
never a boring day at Get Fit. You can
absolutely.
So it's always,
even I come straight from work and I'm so tired by 6:37, but the moment I enter here, I'm absolutely rejuvenated after that 1 hour workout that I do here, and go back home with a lot more energy and yeah, ready for the next day. Thank you.
yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Sanyogita, and I've been coming to Get Fit Studio to Vicky sir since the very start, though I wasn't regular initially, but after that, I think once I saw sir's dedication, and I think he was an inspiration, and post which I noticed sir's workouts are not just very general in nature, they're very tailor-made to every body part, so no body part actually goes ignored.
Fitness level में तेरे को क्या लगता है तूने what you have achieved?
I think I was very unfit when I started, even though in my head I was like, oh, I'm very fit. But now I feel I'm very fit, not just in terms of endurance or flexibility or stretching. It's how I feel on the inside. As a person, I feel I'm very fit on the inside too. And yeah, I feel I've come a long way. मतलब बहुत changes हो गए हैं.
Yeah, nee, I still remember the way you used to work out initially. I used to bang you, I used to scroll
two burpees
and 3 lunges, and after that you used to topple. ठीक है?
That was my workout.
And this is Divisha.
Hi.
Divisha, आपको कितना time हो गया?
I think I'm about to complete 2 years in a few months at Get Fit, and when I first joined, I thought Get Fit is going to be like one of your mainstream gyms, but it's anything but that. The workouts here aren't something you'll find at any other gym in Delhi, honestly, because like everyone here, all of us have tried different gyms and we've come back each time to Get Fit. What you get here is so much more than physical fitness. Initially, everyone comes here to get fit physically, but I think you leave
mentally.
Yeah, you fit mentally more than you fit physically. It's an added bonus. And working out with Vicky sir is the prime reason why everyone sticks here for so long. He's very dedicated towards each member. All our workouts are like personal trainings, and they're fun because all the members here are so nice and warm and welcoming, and it's actually a fun way to get fit.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sanchi, and I've been working out here for almost more than a year now, and since the time I was here, I've realized that this gym is very different. All the gyms that I've ever been to, they have all equipments and treadmills and cross trainers, but here it's all about weight training and very fun workouts. We have never repeated any workout here, and I've literally seen a lot of changes in my body that I've never ever I could imagine that I could see. And I'm about to leave this gym now because I'm moving to another city, and I'm already very devastated that I have to find a new gym because I love this place and I don't want to go, but what can I do?
Hi, myself Shoma, and I have been coming here to this gym from last 7 to 8 months, and I can say that this is the best gym and the best decision I made. The first time when I came here, I saw there was no machine at all, there was no tread, there was no cross trainer, and the first question I asked to Vicky sir that यहाँ पे तो कोई tread नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. Then he said, yes, you come here and then you see it for yourself. And since then to now, it's like daily I look forward to come here. And you can see my work is still in progress, but yes, I have achieved a lot. My fitness has improved, my stamina has improved, and daily there is a new workout, new exercise, and really love this place. And Vicky sir, he motivates a lot, and I really love this place.
Soma, if I remember, you were going through some diet also, है ना? Some dietitian gave you a diet.
Yes, I was following a keto diet for some time.
And how much you paid for that?
I paid almost 7,000 for 3 months.
And how much you lost with that?
Initially I lost few, but after all I gained, and that diet was all about creams and having like only creams and butter and all these.
Keto diet.
Keto diet, yeah. So then I checked
Then
with you. Yes, yes. Then I shifted to your diet, and yes, I started losing weight and inches. Yeah.
How much it was the loss? 8 kg or 9?
Yeah, in the first 3 months that I started with you, I lost almost 9 kgs and 16 inches in the
16
first 3 months.
Yeah.
I want to say a thing. The best thing I liked about here is that I've never checked my weight, because it's not about the scale, because I've experienced so much loss in my inches that I've never ever checked my weight for the last 14 months.
Checking the weight is not allowed.
Exactly. So we check inches, not the weights. We see difference in inches.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Neena Pratap Singh, and I have been a member of Get Fit Studio for past 4 years. And I would say that Get Fit Studio is a one-stop shop of fitness. Arrest, sir?
नीना, आपको कितना टाइम हो गया यहाँ पे आते हुए?
Sir, it's been 4 years.
आपको क्या लगता है what fitness level you have achieved?
Sir, every month it goes up, and one day you realize that you have achieved a level par excellence, and you don't even realize it that you have come up so much in your fitness goals.
And do you think it is helping you in your work style also?
I maintain 2 job profiles, and for that I need to work day and night, and it keeps me going. The fitness that I get here, I get to learn here.
Hi, myself Rita, and I'm here from the last 1 year or so. And
Rita, I believe पहले मैंने आपको Zumba से start करवाया था, है ना?
Yes, I started with Zumba, and sir told me to shift to get BS, that is body sculpting. And since then
3 महीने का मैंने इनको टाइम दिया था कि अगर मुझे लगा कि आपका फिटनेस लेवल आपने बढ़ा लिया तो आई टेक यू इन फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग.
Exactly.
And that you did.
Yeah.
है ना?
I have achieved many goals right here. Like I am a mother of a 8-year-old son. Like, and usually I used to have a very lethargic lifestyle, but now after being here for 1 year or so, my lifestyle has been changed drastically. Like when I was not doing anything, I mean, apart from the home job, you know, I'm a housewife basically. So when sitting at home idle and doing house chores was not enough, so I joined Get Fit, and the results are amazing. I'm getting fitter and fitter, and with Vicky sir's help, it won't be possible. So thank you, Vicky sir.
Thank you. कितना टाइम हो गया तेरे को आते हुए?
मुझे हो गया 4 साल. 4 साल.
What do you think?
Take a deep breath. ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा पूछो. ठीक है. Please don't laugh. What you have?
जब मैंने इतना बोल दिया तो बीच में कुछ बोल देते ना, कम में I ran out of ideas.
Deepti was laughing and she went down.
तो मैं थोड़ा रुक गई तो you start बीच में.
Don't laugh. Start.